Next topic what we're going to learn is about resonance or mesomeric effect. Resonance is a chemical phenomenon which is observed in certain organic compounds which is possessing double bonds at a suitable position. So, certain organic compounds can be represented by more than one structure, differ only in the position of bonding and lone pair of electrons. Same structure only, but differ only in the position of bonding and lone pair of electrons. One is differ in position of bonding. The other one is difference in the position of lone pair of electrons. That structures are called as resonance structures or canonical structures, and this phenomenon is called resonance. It is also known as mesomerism or mesomeric effect. It is also called as mesomerism or mesomeric effect. For example, if you are taking already benzene, resonance structures are there, but now here we are going to learn about 1,3 butadiene. But means 4 carbon atoms, diene means 2 double bond. So 4 carbon atoms, 1,3. So first carbon having double bond, third carbon having double bond. Then you have to balance carbon, here H2, this carbon H, this carbon also H, here H2. This is 1,3 butadiene. That is CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. This is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. Carbon 1 and 2 and carbon 3 and 4 are in same bond length, both a double bond. But this bond length is different. But the observed bond lengths are all same. Here we are seeing this is a double bond. So carbon 1 and 2, carbon 3 and 4, the bond lengths are same and compared to carbon bond length between 2 and 3. But due to experimentally observance, it is seen that the bond lengths are same. So this property cannot be explained by a simple structure. So delocalization of pi electrons takes place. So what happens now? If this bond shifting here, this bond moves out. Moves out means moves towards the carbon. So what happens now? Resonance means double-headed arrow. So this bond is shifting. So CH2 getting a positive sign because electron deficient. Single bond CH. Here double bond. Once more CH. This bond shifted. Bond pair becomes a lone pair. So single bond CH2 minus. That is lone pair comes out. Already this resonance effect depends upon bonding and lone pair. So the bond shifted. So single bond becomes double bond becomes single bond and lone pair. This is one way of writing. The other way of writing, CH, double bond CH. This side CH2 plus, suppose the bond shifting this side. Here CH2 lone pair present out minus. This is other way of writing. So these resonating structures are called canonical forms, and the actual structure lies between these three resonating structures, and that structures are called as resonance hybrid. So how will you write? Between these three structures only the true structure lies. So totally as a whole, how can we write? CH2, CH, CH, CH2. Single bond. The other bond can be in dotted lines. So this is the resonance. This is the true structure which lies between these three structures. So here also plus M effect plus mesomeric effect minus M plus mesomeric effect, that is positive mesomeric effect means electron releasing groups. What are electron releasing groups? OH, NH2, O, etc. minus M, negative mesomeric effect, electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups. So here also example NO2, COOH, CN, etc.